Need a quick, high-protein meal? This recipe is delicious, simple, and ready in minutes. Boom! Another amazing air fryer recipe completed. Ready for more? Check out these next delicious ideas and keep the air fryer magic going. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.